kids, welcome to Balakshitha online classes. In today's episode of Healthy Heroes, we are going to jump into super cool worlds of heart healthy foods. These foods are like superhero snacks that help to keep our heart strong and happy. Ready to discover some awesome foods that gives your heart special powers to stay healthy and active? Let's discover on it. Here are the heart healthy foods we will be learning about today: oats, berries, olive oil, legumes, sweet potatoes, garlic, chia seeds, flax seeds. We are going to learn all about these foods and why are they are so good for us. Let's get started. Why it's so great? Oats are rich in soluble fiber, which helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart diseases. Berries. Why they are awesome? Berries are high in antioxidants and fibers. Antioxidants helps reduce inflammation and oxidate stress, while fiber helps lower cholesterol and maintain heart health. Olive oil. Why they are cool? Olive oil is rich in monosaturated fats and antioxidants. These components help reduce inflammation and lower bad cholesterol, making it a heart-friendly fat diseases. Legumes. Why it's so special? Legumes are high in fibers, which helps lower cholesterol and improve heart health. They are also a good source of protein and essential nutrition. Sweet potatoes. Why they are important? Sweet potatoes are rich in fibers, vitamins, especially vitamin A and potassium. They help regulate blood pressure and improve heart health. Garlic. Why they are great? Garlic contains allicin, a compound that helps lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve heart health. Chia seeds. Why it's so helpful? Chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fibers, and antioxidants. They help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Flax seeds. Why it's so powerful? Flax seeds are rich in alpha lionic acid ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acids and ligands which have antioxidant properties that support heart health and reduce inflammation. Thanks for watching this video. We will be uploading new videos every Wednesday, so make sure to come back and watch. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye for now.